What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Yeah, so I ordered this on the 21st and it came on the 28th, which is not bad because I didn't pay for a fast delivery. Anyway, we're going to unbox this package together after the intro. Now that you guys are back from the intro, take this mask off. I just got out of school. Like, literally just got home. But yeah, I've been waiting on this package. So, without further ado, we're just gonna cut this open. Got the scissors. I hope these fit actually because my low ones that I have, the Violet Shock low ones, I got them in an 8.5, and then the pink quartz, I got them in a 9.5. I was like, dang, I like the size of the pink quartz better. Let me get that size. So I looked from off my bed in my closet to where it is, and I thought it just said 9, because on the Jordan boxes, the 5 to show 9.5 is smaller. So I was like, okay, bet 9. And I never actually checked. So I was trying to convince myself, okay, I can fit an 8.5, I can fit a 9.5, which means I should be able to fit a 9. But I've never had a pair of 11s. Like, I know they're my favorite shoe, but I've never had a pair of them. So I don't know how they fit. And I never tried it. Actually, I did try some on. I think I did try them on in a 9. But I never got them because I never went back. What's up, y'all? It's Editor Me here. I just wanted to say that getting the size 9 and the Jordan 11s was definitely a good choice for me. And shoes do run like different. Like some shoes run big, some shoes run small. So, do what's best for you. If you go in stores to get them, or somebody who sells them in person that you're gonna get, definitely try them on. If not, I say kind of do what I did. But yeah, enjoy the video. Alrighty. So it came. I think I opened it the wrong way, but this, yeah, I did. I opened it upside down. Let's open it on the other side. I didn't want y'all to see my address. Alright. Y'all, these are my first pair of 11s. It just comes with this, like 2 of these in here. But yo. Hold on. This right here, these are the Low Legend Blue 11s right here. I'm excited. I got them in a size 9. If you guys wanted to see. Let's go ahead and look at the box first. So, at the top, obviously, this is the lid. Right? Not too major. It says Air Jordan. On the side, we got Nike Air, of course. And then on here, and then the sizing thing. What's this called? The size sticker. And then the bottom, this is what is on it. We got the Air Jordan symbol at the bottom, and then Nike, and then Nike again. But yeah. Alright, guys. I'm finna open it. Let's look. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, beautiful. Let me take both of them out for y'all so y'all can just see. Let me turn the brightness down. Hold on. Y'all, look at these. Oh. Okay. Let me see if it'll, adjust for y'all. Alright, here's the shoe. Hold on, I don't want to be in here so I can get the look, Y'all, these shoes are absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Y'all. Yo, my hair is crazy, don't mind it, but these are the shoes, ladies and gents. Look at them. Beautiful. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try these on to make sure I can fit them before I get too excited. Yo, look at the laces.
I need to get some shoe creasers because, you know, I was going to order some off Amazon, but I forgot to. I need some for my other shoes as well, but for these, I'm not taking no chances with these ones. I'm not taking any chance with any of my shoes, actually. Y'all, I'm absolutely in love. Oh my god. My favorite pair of shoes in the whole entire world. Like, I don't think y'all get that.
Okay, we putting the foot in. Oh, these mugs is clean. Okay, hold me tight. Make sure they tight. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get into the shoes. So, this is what they look like. We got the Jumpman on the back and the legend blue color, you know. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. Super short, I know. But if you guys want a review on it, let me know. And yeah, these are the shoes. If you want a review, let me know. Anyway, I love you guys. If you see this, this means YouTube unbanned me. Finally, they're letting me post now. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next piece.